Hey there, Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering in Lake Worth. Today we're going to continue on our little spatchcocked chicken journey, and we're going to throw a little Latin flair in there too. I'm going to do a Aji Amarillo, little Peruvian pepper sauce, and we're going to spice it up a little bit, add a few things in there. Before I do, go ahead and like and subscribe. Let us know what you think. But we've got our spatchcocked chicken that we did. You remember that one. We've got a little bit of this Aji Amarillo sauce. You can find that at your local Latin market. If not, you can always order it online. It's on there everywhere. A little extra cilantro. We've got some lime, garlic. If you want add a little heat to it. This has got a little spice, but not a ton. Throw a little Sobole in there, some fish sauce. Of course, regulars, a little olive oil, salt and pepper, and then we're good to go. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started here. I got a little bowl. We're gonna make up our marinade first. You're gonna get a couple nice tablespoons of this, 2, 3. Figure do maybe half the jar or something like that for a whole chicken. And that way you can do 2 chickens out of a jar. We're gonna add a little of the garlic in there too, maybe a nice teaspoon of that. How about a little cilantro? And we're just gonna chop up a couple of tablespoons. And again, this is gonna be in the marinade. We're gonna throw that in the marinade and let that go for, you're gonna wanna let that go for at least 2 hours. It can be up to 12 or overnight. It's all good. A couple little splashes of fish sauce. You can use some soy if you like, but I find the soy darkens it up a little bit too much for me. And then the limes. We'll give them a little squeeze here. Help juice them out. And then I found with these, go ahead and, if you got a juicer, you can use your juicer, but I find a pair of tongs works just as well. And then you get the combo of the heat with the pepper sauce. And we're gonna go just a little bit of that Sobole, because I like it a little bit more. And then we're just gonna mix this up. Add a little olive oil to that as well. Maybe a couple tablespoons, 2, 3. Just enough to help hold everything together. A little salt and pepper. And then we're good to go. All right, flip it over. We're gonna get this side first. We'll get the bottom side first. And then we'll flip it over. And the rest of it goes right on there. And again, like I said, we're gonna let that marinate for at least 2 hours, preferably longer. I like to go 4 to 6, but see where you're at time frame. And like I said, this will go great in an oven. Maybe a 375 degree oven for 45 minutes, or throw this on the grill. This is beautiful on the grill. All right, so we're gonna pop that in and let that marinate, and we'll be right back. All right, we've let that go for, about 3.5, 4 hours. I think we're good to go on that, and we're getting hungry, so it's lunchtime. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I've got the oven on at about 375 right now. Like I said, you could throw that on the grill. This does great on the grill. But we're gonna do it in the oven because I like it in the oven as well. And it looks like it's gonna rain. So I'm just giving it a little light spray, and we're just gonna pop that right in here. And of course, we're gonna get all that extra little goodness here and just smear it all over. That's good to go. All righty. So now we're ready to go in the oven with this. And again, this is gonna be about 45 minutes, but really what you're looking for is an internal temperature. You wanna bring it up. Check the thigh, the thickest part of the thigh and the breast for about 165. So into the oven. All right, let's see what we've got here. We're gonna check this. It looks beautiful if you see that. It's gorgeous. And we've got 164.5. It's gonna carry over, that's gonna be perfect. Check the thigh just to double check. Good to go. 167. And here is our Aji Amarillo spatchcocked chicken. Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering in Lake Worth. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and try that. Let me know what you think. And again, as always, like, subscribe.